Everyone is feeling it. Tech layoffs, ghosted applications, and no callbacks. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. It's not about the job market, it's about the skills that you are missing. Today, I'm revealing the top cybersecurity skills that employers are actively hiring for and exactly how to get them. Learn these, upgrade your resume, and get hired. It's that simple. So you don't want to miss this. Hey there, JR here. Thank you for tuning in. Let's just get right into it. Now, I didn't just pull this out of thin air. To find the skills that are actually getting people hired, I went deep, breaking down over 1,000 real job listings and real employer demands. I cover a lot more in a full breakdown video, so definitely check it out after this. But today I'm just gonna zoom in the top cybersecurity skills that employers are hiring for. Let me just tell you that some of them might not be what you expect. Let's break it down, starting with the number one skill, cloud security. Let's be real, if you don't know cloud, you're already behind. Nearly every cybersecurity job touches the clouds in some way, even if the job title doesn't scream cloud. Why? Because companies are not just using the cloud. They're storing sensitive data, running production systems, and relying on it for everything. And they need people who can secure it. Now, here's the secret. If you understand identity management, incident response, and security auditing in the cloud, you are already ahead of most candidates. Even simple things like locking down S3 buckets in AWS or configuring IAM permissions can make you 10 times more valuable. Where to start? Free beginner certs like AWS Cloud Practitioner or Azure Fundamentals give you a head start. These are low pressure, high reward ways to stand out, even if you're just getting started in security. Skill number two, SIEM and monitoring tools. You can't defend what you can't see. That's why companies are obsessed with SIEM. That stands for Security Information and Event Management Tools. Think of it as your cybersecurity radar. They collect logs from everywhere, firewalls, endpoints, cloud, and help you spot suspicious activity before they become a breach. Most candidates, they say they know security, can't write a simple search in Splunk or build an alert. Even small companies want people that can read logs, detect threats, and investigate anomalies. So how to level up fast? Check out Splunk Fundamentals, free and beginner friendly. Try Hack Me, no pun intended, Cyber Defenders, or Blue Team Labs online. All of them offer real SIEM labs. Want extra credits? Try reading logs from a Windows machines and try to detect a brute force attack. These are the real-world skills that keep companies out of headlines, and you'll be off of the layoff list. Now tell me something, have you learned anything new? Consider subscribing and hitting notifications. That way, you help me out and I can help you out. Continuing putting content like this one. Tell your friends to come check it out. I have plenty more in the channel. Thank you, and moving on. Risk number three, risk management and compliance awareness. Not flashy, not exciting, but absolutely necessary. If you ever want to move beyond entry level, you need to understand how business risks work. It's not just about firewalls. It's about protecting data, meeting compliance, and making sure your business doesn't get fined or sued. We're talking here NIST, ISO 27001, and SOC 2. Also, government tools like EMAS, used for security authorization, and like ACAS for scanning vulnerabilities are critical. These aren't just buzzwords. They're often required for jobs at the government, finance, and healthcare. So where to learn these? I heard this at UC Irvine's GRC course in Coursera. Also here in YouTube, I can't remember his name right now, but I'll put it somewhere right here. I think he has a GRC course that you can take. There's also NIST.gov. There's a lot of resources there. You can actually download some of the PDF and go through it. I know it's not glamorous, but it's the reason that CISOs sleep at night. And it will be the reason that they'll want you on their team. Skill number four, incident response and vulnerability management. Incidents are just going to happen. The question is, will you know what to do? It's not just big hacks and newsworthy breaches. Even a small vulnerability, like an unpatched printer and a weak password, can turn into a full-blown incident. That's why employers look for people that can spot vulnerabilities, analyze what matters, and kick off the right response fast. So practice this. Download Nessus Essentials and scan your home network. Study real-world reports from SANS or NIST into frameworks like the MITRE ATT&CK to understand the attacker behavior. I think I messed that up, but I'll put it here on the screen. Look, if you can just walk into an interview and explain how you handle a fake incident, you just became way more hireable than the other person. Now, bonus, this is something extra that I think is super important, especially for me as a hiring manager. Look, here's what job listings don't always say. The following are skills that were listed in some jobs, but as an IT manager myself and someone that has hired plenty of IT professionals, I can say that tech skills are great, but soft skills also matter. So if you can't explain a vulnerability to a non-technical stakeholder, you're not helpful, you're a liability. Documentation. Documenting process, incidents, and changes keep teams consistent. And frankly, the auditors happy. Cross-team collaboration. Man, this is critical here. Cybersecurity doesn't live in a silo. You will work with help desk, DevOps, legal, and executives. So learn how to speak their language. But how can you build on soft skills? Well, some of the things can be volunteer at a nonprofit, handle the basic IT and security, maybe start a tech blog documenting your journey and what you are actually learning. Just practice breaking things down to family and friends, especially non-technical folks. If you can explain what is a SQL injection without putting someone to sleep, you are golden. Okay, so now I am building a Tech 101 course for anyone that's starting in tech that needs to lock down the fundamentals. I'll break down key topics in a simple, non-jargon way. It's gonna be perfect for folks that feels like they're missing something, but don't know where to start. Or maybe they just need the fundamentals. And this is the best part. It's gonna live right here on this channel. 100% free. All I ask is just give it a like to this video, sub if you haven't, hit that bell notification. This is my way of paying it forward. I've been on your shoes, and now I want to help as many people as possible break into tech the right way. Now, comment below, are you excited about the course? Do you want more content like this? Just let me know. I'm working on that series, it will come out soon, so just stay tuned. So now, go learn these skills, update your resume, and apply with confidence. And if you haven't seen my other video, the one of 100+ high-paying cybersecurity jobs and the free downloadable content, check that one out next. I'm gonna leave it in the description and the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. JR out.